Hey there, Python programmers, coming at you with another video in our Snowman game series. Today we're going to make a play again helper. So if we remember in our play game functionality when we wrote it, we did have two places where we could potentially implement playing again. Again, this was our losing scenario here. Line 91 if we lose, and here after winning. So we could just write the code there, but again, since it needs to exist in two places, we might as well write a helper and then just call it from those. Real simple, our helper function, which we'll write up here, looks good. I'm going to call it play again. I don't think it should need to take in anything. Just throw in that doc string of helper function to let the user play again. Cool. So what we're going to do is take some user input. I'm going to make it real simple and say, would you like to play again? We'll say enter Y or yes, and then we'll do anything else to quit. Cool. And then what we can do is just check to see if they entered yes or Y, right? So honestly, we could do it to lowercase probably. Yeah, that would also just help with capital upcasing there. So to lower, just in case someone accidentally puts an uppercase Y. If user input equals Y, here's where it's interesting. What we'll do is we'll just recursively call play game again. And then we'll do an else case where we return. Cool. So again, this is technically going to set up a recursive call. We're going to call this play again inside of play game. Right potentially here. Play again invoked. Or right here. So if we choose to play again, it's going to recursively call the play game function, and then we'll just have a whole other play game function running. What then will happen is when we again come to the play again, provided the user keeps playing again, it's going to continually create new versions of that play again. This first time we choose no, though, we'll return from this play again function. And then ultimately, if we come to where we're calling it, the next thing we'll do is return. So ultimately, eventually, once we choose to play no, all of the times we chose to play yes will return as well. Something called recursion, or just calling a function from within that function. Cool. So at this point, let's give it a try. We'll play our Snowman game. Now, ultimately, we do have to win or lose to get this to happen. So, man, let's see how we do here. Okay. We lose. Would you like to play again? Enter Y for yes. Anything else to quit? Let's do Y. Hey, we went into playing right again. So looks like it's an entirely different game word as well. So outstanding. Let's try, oh boy, H-A, let's try N, M, T. Oh, I'm not doing great here, but my goal is kind of to lose. Let's try best again, entering anything else. That ends it. Outstanding. So we now have implemented our play again functionality just with a nice simple little helper function here, play again, but it does introduce the idea of recursion. Cool. Hope you like this video. I think we might have one more in the Snowman series. So check that out soon. Again, like and subscribe.